Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So as a creator, you're always in constant pressure and stress to actually come up with new ideas. And even though this could be really exciting, especially at the beginning, after a certain point, especially if you produce more than 1,000 videos like I have, you get to the point where you completely feel like you've run out of ideas, you even get burnt out, and at the same time you're thinking to yourself, how many times can I actually create these same type of videos over and over when I've already done this stuff before? Well, whenever you get to those points, I really feel there's a lot of ways that you could actually approach this. But at least for me, the best ways that allows me to really take a step back and think of other ways, whether it's different ideas or a different viewpoint of things that I've already done before, is to basically go out here in nature. Because whenever I'm out here in nature and you really have no other distractions, especially electronics, social media and so forth, your mind, it's a lot clearer, breathing in the fresh air, and just having this whole sense of calmness and natural settings that really helps your mind to be very productive and also be very creative in a lot of different ways that I normally don't get whenever I'm not outside, outdoors in nature. And if you actually had any thoughts on this or any of your own ways in which you deal with idea burnout or basically feeling like you've lost all creativity, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my YouTube tutorials and tips, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool used at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.